get out there and blast, or whatever. I don't care.
All right, Blasters, so we're gonna do something a little bit different here. Get a temperature reading.
You want to get before, during.
So we're looking at 37.4 degrees. Just standing outside this metal is about that temperature. Now for all the guys that ask about warping due to temperature differentials, when blasting cars and stuff like that, worrying about warpage, we're gonna just pinpoint the spot, blast the crap out of it using a wet blaster. We're using the Greener Blast technology, 7.6, and we're gonna blast about 100 PSI, take temperature readings and see if we have any difference. Hit it, Kev.
Got it.
So we did go up in temperature, up to 42 degrees. Let's just keep on blasting and see what we got. Dissipates very quickly. We were about 42. That one's reading about 40. Peaked at 50. Now a regular piece, we're about 35. And it dissipates very quickly. We were at 36 there. So it does spike a little bit, but I don't think it's near anything that's going to warp metal.